Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at Apex Golf Avenue project which is located in Noida Extension. So here you can take the view of project towers. And now we are riding towards the project. This project is situated just adjacent to Rice Resort Luxury Villa. So we are moving towards the project. So we have reached on the project location, and from here you can take the exterior view of project towers. This project is located in one of the prime location of Noida Extension. So here you can see the high-rise apartments. This project is spread over 4.94 acres of land. And total consists of 5 number of towers with 27 number of floors each. There are total 742 numbers of units. So here you can see the main entrance gate. This project offers 2, 3 and 4 BHK residential apartments. And here you can take a view of ongoing construction work. It's an under construction project. And the position of this project will be given soon. It's a RERA approved project. It has 70% open area. All the apartments are skillfully designed. It's totally RCC structured project. As here you can see the construction work is going on in full swing. Now here you can take a view of project surrounding. The loan facility of this project is available from all leading banks. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 2 BHK plus study flat which is of 1125 square feet. So this we have entered into the apartment. So here you can see the living cum dining area. This is an attached balcony with the living room. And here you can see an open kitchen area. And here is a separate utility balcony attached with the kitchen area. And now we are moving towards the rooms. So here comes the study room of this 2 BHK apartment. And just next to the study room, here is the master bedroom. The spacious master bedroom. With an attached washroom. And here is an attached balcony with this bedroom area. As you can see, it's a wide balcony. Wooden flooring is yet to be done in this master bedroom. And here is the common washroom of this 2 BHK plus study apartment. Which is very well connected to another bedroom. So this is the view of second bedroom of this flat with an attached balcony. So friends, here we have shown you the interior view of a 2 BHK plus study apartment of Apex Golf Avenue project. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK flat which is of 1728 square feet. So this we have entered into the apartment. And here you can see the spacious living cum dining room. With an attached balcony. So this is the living area. The balcony is over there, and This is the dining area. As you can see, it's very spacious. And here you can see the spacious open kitchen of this 3 BHK flat. And here is a separate utility balcony with the kitchen area. And now we are moving towards the bedrooms. So friends, this is the view of first bedroom of this 3 BHK flat with the wardrobe section and attached balcony. Over there you can see the wardrobe area. Here is the balcony. And this is an attached washroom with this bedroom. The washroom is quite spacious. Now moving next. Here is the master bedroom, the spacious master bedroom. The laminated wooden flooring is yet to be done. Over there you can see the space for wardrobe. Here is an attached balcony. And this is an attached washroom with this room. So here we are giving you the exterior view from the balcony. This project is located in one of the prime location of Noida Extension and just adjacent to Rise Resort luxury villa. As from the balcony you can take a view. Here is the common washroom, and just next to the washroom, this is the third bedroom of this flat with the wardrobe area and attached balcony, as here you can see. And here is an attached washroom with this 3 BHK apartment. So friends, in this video we have given you the interior view of 3 BHK apartment. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.